Namaste everyone, I'm Dr. Manik. I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. I'm a doctor by profession and I've been working since past 3 years and still working as a doctor. I'm happy in my job, but I still felt like I had some questions which needs to be answered, and I came here in search of that. The question, what is the purpose of my life and what exactly I have to do. I think then that is when I took the initiative to come here to this place where I found many of my answers. And yeah, the environment, the knowledge I've got here, I think I've got the path where I have to go to and then find the answers on my own, which they taught me. And it's just I found this course by asking many people about the best yoga school in Rishikesh, since there are 300 yoga schools here. So I had to inquire a lot, and someone suggested me this, and I'm happy that I found it. And since the environment, the teachers, the knowledge, my favorite thing is the knowledge I've got here. I felt like I was on this path, but there are few things that I was doing wrong since the start, and the correct knowledge how to do things, when to do things is what I got here. And I feel like I'll be able to process this knowledge and move further in my life, and I hope I'm able to share this knowledge with other people too. And about your Vinyasa Yogashala, I feel like they are really nice people. It's difficult to find good people there are, but yeah, you don't find them very often. So I believe there are good people who wants to share the knowledge further. They are not commercialized. They actually want to share it with you, and they don't just teach you, they make you experience it. The experiences you have here, I think it's only after the experience that you can share it with your students. And the experiences I had here, I will remember them for life. And yeah, I hope that I get higher consciousness through this path. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you. Namaste.